Getting a flat tire can be a real bummer, especially if you're in a hurry. It can feel like the universe is conspiring against you, and the frustration can be overwhelming. Or it happens in a bad spot, making the situation even more stressful. But don't worry, with the right knowledge and tools, you can handle it. Changing a tire isn't as hard as it looks. With a little practice, anyone can do it. It's a valuable skill that can save you time and money. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, from gathering your tools to safely getting back on the road. We'll cover everything you need to know. So let's grab those tools and get to work. Make sure you have a jack, a wrench, and a spare tire ready. Remember, safety is always the top priority. Put on your safety gloves and set up safety cones around your car to alert other drivers. Before you even think about changing a tire, make sure you're parked on a level surface, away from traffic. This will ensure your safety and make the process easier. It's also a good idea to turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. This simple step can prevent accidents and keep you safe. Now, let's open the trunk and gather our tools. Make sure you have everything you need before you start. These little guys will help keep your car from rolling while you're working. Safety first. Safety is paramount when working on your car. Before you even think about jacking up the car, make sure your parking brake is engaged. This will prevent the car from rolling while you're working. Now grab those wheel wedges we talked about earlier. Place these behind the tire opposite the flat tire. This provides an extra layer of security and prevents any unexpected movement. Now let's get that flat tire ready for removal. Using your lug wrench, turn each lug nut on the flat tire about a quarter turn counterclockwise. Don't remove them completely yet, just loosen them. This will make it much easier to remove the lug nuts once the car is lifted. Remember, safety first. Take your time to ensure it's properly aligned. Push the spare tire onto the studs until it's flush with the hub. Make sure it's seated correctly before you start tightening the lug nuts.